हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज का हमारा पेपर है बीएड फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। सब्जेक्ट है पेडागोगी ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स। इसका सब्जेक्ट कोड है E205। ये पेपर है मई 2024 का। बीएड फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स का पेपर जैसे कि हमें पता ही है टोटल 80 मार्क्स का होता है। पेपर हमारा 3 सेक्शंस में आता है, सेक्शन ए, सेक्शन बी एंड सेक्शन सी। सेक्शन ए हमारा 48 मार्क्स का होता है, सेक्शन बी 16 मार्क्स का एंड सेक्शन सी भी होता है 16 मार्क्स का। तो टोटल हमारा पेपर हो गया 80 मार्क्स का। आइए पेपर देखते हैं। सेक्शन ए में लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस हैं। सेक्शन ए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिस्कस इन डिटेल द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ग्रेट मैथमेटिशियन रामानुजन and Rene Descartes, or explain Bloom's classification of teaching of objectives in detail. Question number 2, give a comparative account of analytic and synthetic method of teaching of mathematics. Also describe their merits and demerits. Or describe in detail the characteristics of a good textbook in mathematics. Question number 3, prepare a lesson plan of any one topic from geometry of class 8th. Or discuss the characteristics of objective type tests. Also explain various types of objective type questions with suitable examples. फिर है सेक्शन बी हमारा टोटल 16 मार्क्स का है। इसमें हमारे शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं। इस सेक्शन में टोटल 8 क्वेश्चंस हैं, जिनमें से कि हमें एनी 4 अटेम्प्ट करने हैं। तो देखते हैं सेक्शन बी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एक्सप्लेन इन ब्रीफ द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ टीचिंग मैथमेटिक्स ऑफ सेकेंडरी लेवल। क्वेश्चन 2, राइट शॉर्ट नोट ऑन कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ग्रेट मैथमेटिशियन भास्कराचार्य। Question 3, discuss in brief project method of teaching mathematics. Question number 4, write a short note on micro teaching. Question 5, write a short note on supervised study. Question 6, with suitable examples explain various types of teaching aids used in mathematics teaching. Question 7, explain the importance of recreation activities in teaching of mathematics. Question number 8, discuss in brief principles of curriculum construction. फिर नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास सेक्शन सी में टोटल हमें 10 क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, जिनमें से कि हमें एनी 8 अटेम्प्ट करने हैं। तो सेक्शन सी का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, राइट एनी 2 components of reinforcement skill. Question 2, who gave heuristic method? Question 3, write any 2 application of computer in mathematics. Question 4, who wrote Siddharth Shiromani? Question number 5, the lowest level of cognitive domain is dash. Question number 6, unit plan was given by dash. Question 7, micro teaching Indian cycle is of dash minutes. Question 8, in inductive method of teaching we proceed from dash to dash. Question number 9, epidioscope is a audio aid, visual aid, audio-visual aid, or none of these. Question number 10, Professor Hardy is associated with Ramanujan, Pythagoras, Euclid और रेनी डेकार्ट। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास आता है पेपर 2023 का। सेक्शन ए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिस्क्राइब इन डिटेल द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ग्रेट मैथमेटिशियन आर्यभट्ट एंड पाइथागोरस, और explain in detail Bloom's classification of teaching of objectives. Question 2, give with suitable example a comparative account of inductive and deductive method of teaching of mathematics. Or define curriculum, explain the principles of construction of mathematics curriculum at school level. Question 3, Prepare a lesson plan for class 9th on any one topic of mathematics by evaluation approach. Or what do you understand by evaluation? Explain comprehensive and continuous evaluation in detail. Section B, question number 1. Discuss in brief problem solving method. Also discuss its merits and demerits. Question 2. Write short note on micro teaching. Question number 3. Write short note on drill work in mathematics. Question number 4. Discuss types of teaching aid used in teaching of mathematics. Question 5. Discuss in brief use of computer in teaching of mathematics. Question 6. Write short note on Vedic maths. Question 7. Write in brief the characteristics of good textbooks of mathematics. Question 8. Write short note on remedial teaching. फिर आता है सेक्शन सी का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Who invented micro teaching? Question 2. Who gave question answer method? Question 3. Write 2 components of stimulus variation skill. Question 4. Who said mathematics is the mirror of civilization? Question 5. Write 2 merits of essay type test. फिर हैं fill in the blanks. Question number 6. The book Elements was written by dash. Question 7. Epidioskope is a dash type of teaching aid. Question 8. The teaching method propounded by Armstrong was dash. फिर है हमारे पास मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. हायर लेवल ऑफ कॉग्निटिव डोमेन इज नॉलेज, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, इवैल्यूएशन या फिर एप्लीकेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. हु रोट द बुक वैदिक मैथ्स? आर्यभट्ट, भास्कराचार्य, स्वामी कृष्ण तीर्थ भारती या कि नन ऑफ दीज. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास आता है पेपर 2022 का. इसका सेक्शन ए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. डिस्क्राइब इन डिटेल द कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ग्रेट मैथमेटिशियंस आर्यभट्ट एंड यूक्लिड. और डिस्क्राइब विद suitable example inductive and deductive methods of teaching mathematics. Also discuss their merits and demerits. Question number 2. What is the difference between aims and objectives? List out the major objectives of teaching mathematics on the basis of Bloom's taxonomy. Or define curriculum. Which points must be kept in mind while constructing mathematics curriculum? Question 3. Prepare a lesson plan of any one topic of mathematics of class 9th on the basis of evaluation approach. Or what factors would you keep in mind while selecting a suitable textbook of mathematics for higher school level? Explain. फिर है सेक्शन बी. Question number 4. Explain the importance of mathematics in daily life. Question 5. Explain taxonomy of objectives in cognitive domain. Question number 6. Discuss in brief supervised study technique. Question 7. Discuss merits and demerits of project method of teaching mathematics. Discuss in question number 8. Discuss in brief steps of micro teaching. Question 9. What do you mean by unit plan? Mention its merits and demerits. Question 10. Explain the importance of teaching aids in teaching of mathematics. Question 11. Write short note on Vedic mathematics. फिर आता है सेक्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. राइट 2 एडवांटेजेस ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स लैबोरेटरी. क्वेश्चन 13. राइट द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ स्टिमुलस वेरिएशन स्किल. क्वेश्चन 14. डिफाइन अचीवमेंट टेस्ट. क्वेश्चन 15. व्हाट इज रेमीडियल टीचिंग? फिर है हमारे स्टेट ट्रू और फॉल्स. Question number 16. The highest level of psychomotor domain is characterization. Question 17. recall and recognition are the action verbs of knowledge objectives. फिर है हमारे fill in the blanks. Question number 18. The book Elements was written by dash and it has dash chapters. Question 19. The micro teaching was developed by dash in dash university. फिर है हमारे पास multiple choice questions. Question number 20. To appreciate the work of the mathematician corresponds to which value of mathematics? Intellectual, utilitarian, aesthetic, or none of these? Next, question number 21. Cone of experience was given by Edgardale, Locke, Armstrong, or none of these? फिर आता है हमारे पास मई 2017 का पेपर. सेक्शन ए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Define mathematics and clarify its nature. What is the place of mathematics in the curriculum of school? Discuss. Or explain the contribution of great Indian mathematicians Aryabhat and Bhaskaracharya. Question 2. Describe the heuristic method and project method in detail. Or define curriculum. Explain the principles of construction of mathematics curriculum at school level. Question 3. What do you understand by evaluation? Discuss the characteristics of good evaluation tool. Or what principles would you keep in mind while selecting a suitable textbook of mathematics for higher school level? फिर है सेक्शन बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What is the difference between aims and objectives? Question 2. Write short note on reinforcement skill of micro teaching. Question 3. Write the merits and demerits of inductive method. Question 4. What are the advantages of supervised study technique in teaching of mathematics? Question 5. What do you understand by programmed learning? Question 6. Write a short note on Vedic mathematics. Question 7. Write short note on diagnostic testing. Question 8. What do you mean by achievement test? Question 9. Describe the principles of curriculum construction in teaching of mathematics. Question 10. Explain the process of obtaining feedback and evaluation of mathematics. Next है सेक्शन सी का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. मैथमेटिक्स इज द मिरर ऑफ सिविलाइजेशन. हु सेड? कांत, हॉगबर्न, बेकॉन और कॉम्टे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हु प्रोपाउंडेड द मेथड ऑफ एस्टिमेशन ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट एंड क्यूब रूट? ऑप्शंस हैं रामानुजम, भट्टाचार्य, भास्कराचार्य और नन ऑफ दीज. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इन विच teaching method teaching maxims unknown to known is proceed? Synthetic method, analytic method, both first and second, or none of these? Next, question number 4. What teaching method is propounded by Armstrong? Project method, laboratory method, heuristic method, or problem solving method? Next, question number 5. The concept of programmed learning was given by dash. Question 6. The book Elements was written by dash. Question 7. Lowest level of affective domain in teaching objectives is dash. Question 8. Write two differences between goals and objectives. Question 9. Epidiotscope is a dash type of teaching aid. Audio, visual, audiovisual, or none of these? Question 10. Write two differences between simulation teaching and micro teaching. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. होप आप लोगों को ये वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी हो. तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब कर लें इस चैनल को इस तरह की और वीडियोस देखने के लिए. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.